What's the meaning of bikini line? Bikini line. Bikini line.
Bikini line. Bikini line. The bikini line refers to the area of skin along the lower edge of a bikini bottom. It is the part of the body that would be exposed if someone wore a bikini or similarly revealing swimwear. The term is commonly used in the context of hair removal, as many women choose to shave, wax, or otherwise remove the hair along their bikini line for aesthetic and hygiene reasons. While the exact definition of the bikini line may vary depending on personal preferences and cultural norms, it generally refers to the area where the pubic hair starts to grow and extends outwards towards the thighs.